Hi, today we'll be learning about Auto EDA Mitosheet. Our business problem would be a certain food-based company conducted a survey with the help of fitness company to find the relationship between a person's weight and the number of calories they have consumed in order to come up with diet plans for these individuals. Our business objective would be to maximize customer attraction. Business constraint would be to minimize risk of health issues. Our success criteria follows such as business criteria to gain at least 20 to 30% of profit. Machine learning criteria is to achieve at least 95% of accuracy. And my economic criteria is to improve the profits by at least 10 lakhs. Here, I have connected to company's database which is already provided. The company has provided us with company's database and I have established a connection from here to PostgreSQL. Here, I have imported pandas for manipulation and PostgreSQL to establish the connection. I have given the user ID, password, host, port and database, and then here I have established the connection. We can see we have gotten the company's data. Here I have imported pandas in matplotlib again. Here we have the data set. The shape of the data set would be 14:2. The data description follows such as the calories and weights are our columns and columns are numerical. The shape of our data set is 14:2 and we have statistical information given below. Our minimum value would be 62 and 1400 for calories. And for weights, we have our maximum value 1100 and 3900 respectively. We have all the values such as our statistical summary, count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile, and our maximum value. So here starts our manual EDA process, that is exploratory process, including data cleaning and data visualization. First, we will have to explore data overview. I have imported the necessary libraries for manipulation, visualization, advanced visualization, and our numerical calculations. Here we have taken the first few rows of the data set. And here we are checking for our missing values with the help of is null function. So we can check we do not have any missing values and the data type is integer. And our data overview, we can get it with the help of df.info function. So our info function will give all the details about my data set, such as if we have any null data, it will be represented over here. And we also get the data type, our columns, and number of columns available, number of rows available. And it also gives us the memory usage of this particular data set. Here, we are trying to find out the correlation coefficient of the columns. Let's move on to data visualization. I am plotting histogram to check the shape of the data. So here, I have given the figure size, I have given the data set, and I have said X and Y labels are going to be calories and pounds. So here we can check the data distribution for the column calories. Then we move on, we have histogram. Histogram, I have plotted an histogram for weights as well to check for data distribution again. And I have plotted a box plot to check in case if we have any outliers. So here we can check we do not have any outliers for both the columns. And now we have scatter plot. So scatter plot, I have given the plot I have called T-born here, and then I have plotted scatter plot to check the correlation of the data, to check the direction of the data, to check for the strength of the data. And we also have a heat map, that is correlation matrix for the data set. So guys, this process takes a lot of time. We almost spend at least 60 to 80% of our time on our exploratory data analysis, which is a very crucial part of our data analysis. So it is very important step which cannot be missed at all, right? What if I tell you all this process can be compressed just in 2 lines? You will get the insights of all the auto EDA process. Yes, that is possible with the help of Mitosheet. What is Mitosheet? Mitosheet is a Python package which allows the user to complete their analysis in Python at much faster speed. The user will create Mitosheet which then generates a Python code for them after manipulation of the sheet. You can install it by Python install Mitosheet. So I have already installed Mitosheet and I have imported Mitosheet over here. Then here I am calling Mitosheet.sheet function. I have given my data frame and analysis _2_display. So here we can see I have a dashboard created over here. I can create any number of data charts over here. I can plot any data that is required. I will just have to go here and select the columns in case if I want certain chart. I don't have to write each and every code over here. So the dashboard makes it so simple and easy to use. You can get all the insights just by running 2 lines of code in spite of spending your 60 to 80% of the time on your exploratory data analysis. So you can view your charts over here. You have all the types of charts: bar, line, scatter, histogram, density heat map, box, violin, strip, ECDF, and all the other charts. You can select the axis here, X and Y axis. You can also select the color. Not only this, you can also edit the data frames. You can view the data frames. You can import the files. You can draw the graphs. You can edit the columns or rows. Isn't this very amazing way? Yes, it absolutely is. So you please explore this and let me know how it works for you. Thank you.